Hey everybody, today I've got a brand new 2020 Chevy Silverado LT Z71, and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on it. So on this car here, we are going to be using these buttons and this wheel and push this wheel also. So as you see right now, we are on the speedometer. So what you want to do is you want to push the right button until we're on the I and information. Now we're going to scroll down on the, we're going to roll the wheel to scroll down, and we're going to come down until we find the oil life. And you see it says check reset. So now we're just going to push the button and hold it. And there you go, it reset to 100%. And that is how you reset your oil light. Now, here's a problem with these cars. If when you scroll down through here and this doesn't show up, what you have to do is you have to go to the gear option, which is clicked over to the right. You have to come down to the info pages. Let's roll down to info pages, press enter, and see how there's check marks. You have to make sure that the oil life is checked here. If this is not checked here, it's not going to show up on the other screen to be reset. I hope that makes sense to everybody. So thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.